Here we are at Hawk Mountain. Well, that's the name of the trail we're going on. And apparently it's a forester convention here because that's all that's here. Weather today is perfect. It's high 60s for a high where we're at. Partly cloudy, so it's excellent hiking weather. Ground's nice and soft, so it's not muddy. Get some nice tree coverage. It's quite beautiful here. Hope you guys are enjoying the view along with us. Here comes Colin with exciting news. Exciting news for us. The kid that wanted to buy my car, he's been approved. So the BRZ is going bye-bye and a venture van's gonna become ours soon.
We're gonna live in a river down by the van. Yeah, we're gonna live in a river down by the van.
Yep, should be pretty nice. We'll try to stay dry in our river. If it gets too wet, we'll climb in the van.
It's a fungus, whether it's a mushroom or not.
Huge. They grow out of the sides of trees a lot here.
Dead trees.
Found this little meadow, a little bit off the trail. Super pretty. I think we're on the final approach going up. And it's a little steep. Sure. Colin's gonna come walk past and hopefully give you guys an idea of how steep this really is. All right. Make my way up too. It's odd. are at the top of Hawk Mountain. And there's Mt Jefferson off in the distance. Pretty sure that's Jefferson. Covered in some clouds out there. So pretty. Alright guys, well the battery is flashing and it's going to die on this. We're going to swap out the battery and go look around. We can get inside the cabin, so we're going to do that as soon as we do a quick battery swap. Alright, so fresh battery. And this place is really pretty cool. Oh jeez, started me. Got an old cot. So this was a working lookout shelter at one point. See, there's blankets up in there, sleeping bags, looks like a pillow, all kinds of stuff in here. A lot of times they leave some of these old shelters as emergency shelters on different trails. I don't think that's why they left this one like this, but it's pretty cool. You could totally come. Yeah, you've been here before.
I guess when I was like 2.
Yeah, Colin was here recently. When he was 4. Huh.
Everybody leaves their bottles but doesn't leave any booze.
Wow. This is fascinating.
They even have Amy's chili in there. Oh, the hot chili.
Huh. This is really
Look at how old that is. That pink salmon.
Oh, wow. There's some beef ravioli in there. Little cream of chicken soup. Have you peeked into that box?
No, that one back there has just got house stuff in it.
Looks like more sleeping bags.
Chairs?
Chairs?
Yeah,
Sleeping bags?
blankets.
That doesn't really want to come out, but it looks like maybe there's some utensils and stuff in there. Looks like some wet naps in there too. Wow. Cleaner? This is very... I don't know if we can rent this, like reserve this somehow or something.
I think it's first come, first served.
We don't have stuff to stay. Well, we could use our stuff, I suppose. making our way back down from top of the mountain. So that is the way up to the top of Hawk Mountain. And this way, we didn't go this way. We're not going to go that way, not this time at least. I think maybe that loops back to where we started, so we're going to look into that for later. Because this has been a really nice trail, we really enjoyed it. So, yeah, hopefully it's a little loop and we can do that in the future. So we found this little spring here. It actually is coming out, and so we actually built a box to kind of trap some water down in here.
Comes out of the mountain, fills up the box, and runs out the bottom. Some nice fresh spring water.
Fresh water out of there.
Well, you see that sign in the cabin? It said spring 1,000 feet.